Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today I am going thrifting for furniture at the Habitat for Humanity ReStore Center. One of my favorite places to look for thrifted furniture, whether it's furniture I keep for myself in my own home or furniture that I flip for a profit. Let's go in and see if they have anything good today. Walking through the furniture section, I saw plenty of cool modern pieces, but the heritage style ones are what really pulled me in. When I say heritage furniture, I'm talking about traditional craftsmanship, solid wood, detailed joinery, classic shapes that have stood the test of time. You can think English countryside, old libraries, or East Coast estates. Basically pieces that feel substantial and like they carry a story. Buffets and sideboards are such a strong way to add that heritage style to your home because they instantly anchor a room and add storage and character, so they're both functional and stylish. When you're thrifting these pieces, just open every drawer and make sure they glide well. Also check that the interior of the piece is made of solid wood because that's going to be your sign of good quality. Don't overlook the hardware either. Original brass pulls with that aged patina is simply magic on these pieces and what adds depth and character that you just can't fake with a new piece of furniture these days. When it comes to wood stains, look for medium to dark wood tones that feel heavy to some people, but in a heritage-inspired space, they're exactly what create that richness. Old wooden trunks are incredible because they double as a storage and a statement piece. You could use one as a coffee table, at the foot of a bed, or even layered in an entryway. So look for solid wood, leather, metal hardware, dovetail joints, and real patina because the wear is what adds character. The same thing goes for coffee and side tables. Look for weighty silhouettes, darker wood tones like oak or walnut, turned legs, or chunky traditional shapes. Even something that feels a little outdated can look elevated once it's styled well. So these are the kinds of pieces that instantly ground a room and make it feel collected versus just decorated. Dining sets might be one of the easiest heritage style pieces to thrift because solid wood tables and chairs are everywhere at the thrift store and most just need a simple polish or maybe a new seat cushion to feel fresh again. I always say that the key to being a successful thrifter is being able to see the potential in the pieces when they're at the thrift store. So while this bed is super fun, painted bright red, if you are going for that more traditional heritage style, you could always paint it bronze to give a more traditional look. If you already have some solid furniture, but you want to add some character to it, you can always swap out the hardware. And thrift stores are a great place to find vintage or antique inspired knobs and pulls, doorknobs, or maybe even some light switch plates or outlet covers. Similarly to hardware, when it comes to home decor and houseware items, look for pieces made of iron, wood, or ceramic. Lighting is such a big part of this look. I always look for ceramic, brass, or carved wood bases, and I love a pleated shade. Shapes that feel classic and a little substantial. You can always swap the shade or rewire them if needed, but the base is what really matters because that's where most of the character is. They had so many cool wooden pieces in there today, as you saw. And of course, I did not walk away empty-handed. So let me take this home and I will show you what piece I got. I do plan to resell it though, I think. Well, I'll wait and show you what it is. This is the piece that I ended up getting, and I am so ecstatic because not only does it have these cute details, but I also just realized that it's Ethan Allen. And look how cool is this in the top drawer that I didn't open at the store. It looks like either knife storage or jewelry storage. I don't know, probably knives if this was meant to be like a dining room buffet. So now I'm gonna just clean it up and get it ready to resell. After giving it a good clean, I staged some photos and listed it for $250, which it sold for just a few days later. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.